my dear brothers and sisters, you are citizens of Britain, you are citizens of Europe, you have your passport, your citizenship, you are enjoying your rights, legal rights, constitutional rights, judicial rights, financial privileges, social economic supports, your job, your salary, you are getting every facility here as other non-Muslim citizens are getting. If you are getting all facilities, so how can a person who is a true Muslim can be supposed getting all facilities of the citizenship? How can he take up arms, or how can he commit suicide bombing against non-Muslim brother citizens? This would be a haram act, an act against Islam. For those who want to still, those brothers who want to still fight against civilian non-Muslim brothers of the countries where you are enjoying the facilities, then they should not live here as a citizen. They should leave the country, they should do hijrah, they should go back to their home, because this character is against Islam and the conduct of Prophet Muhammad. My brothers and sisters, are you ready to declare this, give a declaration showing a unity of global peace, unity, that you condemn every act of terrorism committed by any person or state, and you are for peace, and you are against suicide bombings and against terrorism? Do you agree with this? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, this declaration is passed. I congratulate the organizers of Global Peace and Unity Conference. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.